this is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We're going to look at exercise 5.3, question 6. So we've got a 3.5 meter pipe, and it's got an outer diameter of 24 centimeters and an inner diameter of 18 centimeters. So in terms of diameter, we got two of these diameters. In terms of radius, the radius is 9 here, and the radius is the radius is 12 here. Okay, so you got to be careful. If you're given diameters, must convert to radius. Now, what are we trying to find here? We're trying to find the volume in meters cubed. Can you see that it's in meters only? So we're going to convert these into meters. So the radius would be 0.09 meters, and this will be 0.12 meters. How do I know that? Because I know from meters or centimeters to meters, I need to divide by 100. Okay, so 9 divided by 100 is 0.09, and 12 divided by 100 is 0.12. Now, to get the volume of a prism, and this is a prism, even though it's hollow in the middle, that's fine, doesn't matter, because if I cut this pipe cross-sectionally, I always get a circle with a hole in the middle, okay, which is fine. Okay, it's from our first chapter, understanding our first chapter of area. It's just the bigger circle minus the small circle. It's known as the annulus. Okay, as long as we can find the area of the annulus and multiply it by the length of the pipe, which is 24, not 24, 3.5 meters, then we can work out the volume of a cylinder, the volume of a prism, because the volume of a prism is the cross-sectional area times the height. Okay, so let's work out what the cross-sectional area is. The cross-sectional area is pi big R squared minus pi small r squared, because it's the bigger circle minus the small circle. So the bigger circle is pi 0.12 squared minus pi 0.09 squared. Okay, so let's work out what that is so that we can plug into the other equation later on. So let's go to our calculator. So we're going to go pi 0.12 squared minus pi 0.09 squared, 0.001. I'll just copy in this, okay, so that I don't have to memorize anything, or I have to go back. 0.019792, 0.019792, okay, 0.01792, was that correct? Let's double check, because I don't have a good memory. 0.019, okay, 19792, 19792. Okay, perfect. So my volume is given by 0.019792 multiplied by the height. So the height of the overall pipe is 3.5. So all I'm doing is multiplying my answer by 3.5, and I should get a volume of 0.0, it says 2 decimal places, so 0.07. So volume equals 0.07 meters cubed. So like that. Okay. So recapping, to get the volume of this prism, happens to be a pipe, you find the area of the cross section and you multiply it by the height. So the area of the cross section happens to be the area of the annulus, and then you multiply that area with the length of the pipe, which is 3.5 meters, and you should get 0.07 meters cubed round to 2 decimal places. So hopefully that helps.